Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Birchbox for July 2019. This box is $15 a month and you get 5 samples tailored to your hair, skin, makeup, that sort of deal. Hold on, someone's thirsty. This box for me I've only been getting for a couple months, but it's been a little hit or miss. I really liked last month's box, so I thought I would go ahead and give it another try. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and open this up. Okay, so once you open up the box, it has another little box right inside. I really like the box this month. It has like little lemons and oranges on it. I think that's what these are. Yeah, that's what those are. The boxes I find are really good, like for reuse. So also want to apologize if the lighting changes. The sun is setting. It's a little cloudy outside. I just got off work, so I'm sort of filming a little bit late. So yeah, if that all changes, I apologize. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's in this bad boy. So right on top, we have a little card right here. On the back, it's gonna have everything that we're getting in here as well as their full-size value. So the theme this month is Love You. Has this young lady right here on the front. It says, I've come to embrace my body and love it for exactly how it is. It makes me feel really free to simply exist and not feel like I have to change for another person. So I like that message a lot. That's awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the makeup or skincare or hair. Let's get into the stuff. Real quick before I dive into this, if I don't know something is cruelty free, at the time of filming I always research that and I put that in the description box down below, as well as breaking down the sample size values of everything and putting that as well so we know if we're getting a good deal or not. So if you're interested in that, make sure you open the description box down there to find out more. Okay, so the first 3 things I'm pulling out sort of go together. So I have a shampoo right here, a little foil conditioner right here, and then a hair serum also in a foil packet sort of deal. These are from a brand called Minue or Minue. I'm not sure exactly how you say it. I don't know if this brand is cruelty free. I've never heard of it. Let's go ahead and give it a sniff. So it smells nice. It has a little bit of a citrus scent to it. It does say it is paraben and sulfate free. And let's see, so this is for, all these products right here are for color treated hair. So my hair is obviously not my natural hair color. If you did not know, I'm not a blonde. But my hair is not dyed, it's bleached. So I don't know if this is something I would really need. Maybe for the toner in my hair. I don't know. I'll look and see if these are cruelty free. If not, I'll give them to somebody else. But it's also a little bit weird to me that there's more shampoo than there is conditioner, because does anybody ever use more shampoo than conditioner? I don't think so. It's the other way around. Okay, so the shampoo and conditioner, they range in price full size, $29 to $33, and then the hair serum is $26. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Purlisse, which is cruelty free, I'm fairly certain. This is coconut oil plus coffee sugar body scrub. That sounds interesting. I love coconut. I love coffee. I don't know how, well, you know what? I've been using coconut coffee creamer, so maybe I would like them together. Let's go ahead and give her a whiff. Okay, so I definitely smell coffee. Not so much coconut, but I don't know if I want to smell like coffee, but maybe, I don't know. I'm definitely going to give this a try. Oh, I see. So it's coconut oil. That makes more sense. Okay, so it's just a coffee-scented sugar body scrub. Yeah, definitely interested in trying that. Kind of intrigued by that. Let's go ahead and get a full-size value on that. The full size of that is $36. So, again, a little bit expensive. Okay, let's see. So the next thing I am pulling out is from Karuna. I'm not sure. Is that how you say that? Karuna? So this is some sort of face mask, a sheet mask. It's a hand mask. Interesting. So it's a age-defying hand mask. So it's for aging, age spots, mature hands, reduces signs of aging, helps restore moisture, revitalizes and transforms dry, mature skin. Okay, I know I may be a little older than your average YouTuber. But I don't know if my hands are considered mature. Do they look that wrinkly? I don't know. Okay, so that's sort of interesting. I don't know if I will use this. I've never even looked at my hands and thought, wow, my hands look a little old. But maybe I'll try it just because it seems kind of weird. Definitely strange. Let's see. I don't know if this brand is cruelty free. I've never heard of it. But let's go ahead and get a value on that. So this is $9.50. It says, I assume the full size is for one, but I'll look into that. Okay, so there's that. Interesting, weird item. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out has lost its lid. I mean, the lid's here, but it's not on it. This is from Derma-E. This is an overnight peel. There's a little tiny little thing here. Derma-E is cruelty free though, so that's awesome. So it says apply generously to clean face before bed, leave on overnight, and rinse thoroughly in the morning. Use 1 to 2 times a week. So I don't know why they call it a peel, because you're not really peeling it. I don't know. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. So to me, it's just like a deep moisturizer maybe. Let's go ahead and look at the card and see what it says. So this is a gentle, non-abrasive exfoliating treatment made with, what is it, AHAs? So yeah, it's just like an overnight mask, I guess. I don't know, I'm kind of interested to try that. And the full size of this is valued at $18.75. So again, a little bit like more expensive, but not too bad. So there's that. Okay, I have 2 more things in here, it looks like. Okay, so the next thing is from Dr. Jart. I've gotten something from them before, but I can't remember if it's cruelty free off the top of my head or not. This is the V7 Priming Moisturizer. So I guess it's just a primer. So it's a vitamin-infused moisturizer, works like a primer to mattify, even out your complexion, and blur the appearance of pores. So this is definitely something I would not use just because I don't like a matte finish. Maybe here, like blurring a little bit, but I'm normally into more moisturized, like dewy sort of primer, dewy skin products, I guess I should say. But I might give it a try just to see. It says it's moisturizing, so maybe it would look okay. Let's see. The full size of this is $48, so holy moly, that's a little bit expensive in my opinion. That's expensive. Okay, so I have one more thing. And this is from Love of Color. It's the Love of Color Liquid Shimmer Shadow in the shade Daybreak. There it is, right there. Love of Color is cruelty free. Let's go ahead and see. So it's just like the kind that come on a doe foot applicator. I'll go ahead and do a quick swatch of it. So it's very metallic. You can see right there. It's got like a little bit of a like champagne sort of color, I would say. I don't generally gravitate towards these sort of things just because I have like hooded eyes, so anything that I wear on my lower lid, like when I open my eyes, I don't have any eyeshadow on today, but when I open my eyes, you can't see my eyelid. It's kind of, it can be a little disheartening when you like take all this time to do your makeup and it's like, oh, you can't tell I have anything when I open my eyes. So anyways, things like this that tend to go on really wet, although this dried down fairly quickly. Basically, if I put this on my eyes, I have to sit here with my eyes closed until it dries. If that makes sense. And even then, I still tend to get transferred to the top of my eyes. So, I don't know. I might give it a try just to see how it does transfer. I do like the color a lot, so that's not a problem. Let's see. The full size value on this is $10. So, not too bad. Alright, so that is everything I got in this box. Even though this box had very little makeup in it, I think I got one makeup item and like a primer, which is sort of makeup but not really makeup in my opinion. I got 2 skincare items and then 3 hair items right here. I still really like this box for some reason. Quite a bit of it was for sure cruelty free, at least half of it, so that's always exciting to me. I always like it I don't know, maybe I'm a sucker, but when things are cruelty free. Oh, I also got this weird hand mask, I forgot. And this was what, like 7 items? Yeah. So maybe it was a little bit more this month. So yeah, I don't know. What did you guys think? I'd love to know your opinions, whether you thought this was a good box or not. And I also would love to know if you do get Birchbox, what you got in your box. Leave that in the comments down below and let me know. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. That would mean so much to me. And if you want to see more videos like this for me, more dogs, you know, just chilling in the background, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.